right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chi in this context means God. Sometimes it can mean destiny, but in this context it means God, right? Or like the personal God for your life. And Nyere means like to give, right? So you put those two together, and what do you get? Chi Nyere. God's gift, or God gives, or something close to like God has given me, right? A lot of times it's kind of like part of an intended saying, like Chinyere me nwa, like, you know, God has given me a child. Or maybe something like Chinyere me hedoma, like, you know, God has given me something good. You know what I'm saying? But usually people just go by that name, Chinyere, right? So the reason why I gave her this name is because God has given to her, and she also wants to give to others. She wants to teach criminal justice at a college, and she always likes to help people. So that's why I gave her